how are you? In this video, we will talk about top 10 Netflix web series as per IMDb rating most popular. This is part 1. So, number 10, The Protector. This web series having 2 seasons. In season 1, the series follows the epic adventure of Hakan, a young shopkeeper whose modern world gets turned upside down when he learns he is connected to a secret ancient order tasked with protecting Istanbul. A young man discovers that he has special powers. Now it is necessary to learn to use these forces in order to protect the city and all humanity against the dark forces that want to destroy Istanbul. In this journey, there is no other choice but to act with his friends who will help him. Discovering his ties to a secret ancient order, a young man living in modern Istanbul embarks on a quest to save the city from an immortal enemy. In season 2, Hakan and the loyal ones hatch a scheme against Faisal, who uses Leila as a bargaining chip, but a surprising betrayal derails the plan as Hakan scrambles to find Levent and put a stop to his vindictive crime spree. Another immortal gets control of Leila's mind. Number 9, Lost in Space. This series also having 2 seasons. In season 1, after crash landing on an alien planet, the Robinson family fight against all odds to survive and escape, but they are surrounded by hidden dangers. Second season, set 30 years in the future, colonization in space is now a reality, and the Robinson family is among those tested and selected to make a new life for themselves in a better world. But when the new colonists find themselves abruptly torn off course en route to their new home, they must forge new alliances and work together to survive in a dangerous alien environment. Light years from their original destination, stranded along with the Robinsons are 2 outsiders who find themselves thrown together by circumstance and a mutual knack for deception. The charismatic Dr. Smith is a master manipulator with an inscrutable endgame, and the roguish but charming Don West is a highly skilled blue-collar contractor who had no intention of joining the colony, let alone crash landing on a lost planet. Number 8, Chilling Adventure of Sabrina. This series having 3 seasons. In season 1, as her 16th birthday nears, Sabrina must choose between the witch world of her family and the human world of her friends based on Archai comic. Season 2 reimagines the origin and adventures of Sabrina, the teenage witch, as a dark coming of age story that traffics in horror, the occult, and of course witchcraft. Tonally in the vein of Rosemary's Baby and The Exorcist, this adaptation finds Sabrina Spellman wrestling to reconcile her dual nature, half witch, half mortal, while standing against the evil forces that threaten her family, and the daylight world humans inhabit. Season 3, with the help of various magical objects and the guardians of the unholy regalia, freed Sabrina is able to prepare the coven and her friends with the tools and hindsight needed in order to defeat the pagans, creating a separate timeline but ultimately ending up with a safer and alive Greendale. Number 7, You. This series also having 2 seasons. In season 1, a dangerously charming, intensely obsessive young man goes to extreme measures to insert himself into the lives of those he is transfixed by. Season 2, based on Caroline Kepner's best-selling novel of the same name, You is a 21st century love story that asks what would you do for love when a brilliant bookstore manager crosses paths with an aspiring writer. His answer becomes clear: anything, using the internet and social media as his tools to gather the most intimate of details and get close to a charming and awkward crush quickly becomes obsession as he quietly and strategically removes every obstacle and person in his way. Number 6, Altered Carbons. This series also having 2 seasons. Season 1, set in a future where consciousness is digitalized and stored. A prisoner returns to life in a new body and must solve a mind-bending murder to win his freedom. Season 2, Altered Carbon is set in a future where consciousness is digitalized and stored in cortical tracts implanted in the spine, allowing humans to survive physical death by having having their memories and consciousness received into new bodies. The story follows specially trained envoy soldier Takeshi Kovacs, who is downloaded from an off-world prison and into a combat-ready slave at the behest of Lawrence Bancroft, a highly influential aristocrat. Bancroft was killed and the last automatic backup of his stack was made hours before his death, leaving him with no memory of who killed him and why. While police ruled it a suicide, Bancroft is convinced he was murdered and wants Kovacs to find out the truth. Number 5. Sex Education. This series also having 2 seasons. In season 1, in the first series, Otis sets up a sex therapy clinic with Maeve to help the students of Mordale with their sexual problems. Their business becomes a success, but conflict arises when Otis finds himself becoming attracted to Maeve. Season 2 kicked off with Otis declaring the end of the sex clinic, determined to focus on his relationship with Ola, something the other students at Mordale High simply chose to ignore following a chlamydia pandemic. Number 4. Lucifer. This series having 4 seasons. In season 1, using his nightclub Lux, Lucifer parties and indulges in every pleasure imaginable. However, the murder of an old acquaintance puts Lucifer on the path of vengeance and in the path of Detective Chloe Decker. Lucifer decides to use the LAPD as an outlet to continue to punish sinners. Season 2 premise, thanks to Aminadiel's blunder, hell was left unguarded for a short time. This allowed Lucifer's mother, the goddess of creation, to escape hell and arrive on earth. Lucifer is left trying to find a loophole in his deal with God so he can punish his mother. Season 3, following Mom's departure to go into the void and create a new universe of her town, Charlotte was resurrected and returned to her body for season 3, and then she sacrificed herself to save Amendiel from Cain. So Charlotte's death, her souls in heaven, and Amendiel took her there and has yet to return. Season 4 ended with some rowdy demons from hell clawing their way to earth on a mission to either drag Lucifer back with them or crown an infant replacement. Lucifer realized that the only way to keep hell from encroaching on earth would be to return to the throne and keep everyone in line. Number 3, Vikings. This series having 6 seasons. Season 1, the first season premiered on March 3, 2013 in Canada and concluded on April 28, 2013, consisting of 9 episodes. It begins at the start of the Viking Age, marked by the Lindisfarne raid in 793, and follows Ragnar's quest to become Earl and his desire to raid England. Season 2, the second season, follows Ragnar's struggles with viral Vikings and his rise from Earl to King. The Vikings raid further into England and for the first time are offered land for settlement. Season 3, in the season 3 finale, the dead, it seems Ragnar has succumbed to his battle wounds as a funeral procession escorts his coffin inside the city walls of Paris. It soon transpires the show has pulled the ultimate bait and switch when Ragnar jumps out of his coffin alive, allowing his fellow Vikings to raid the city. Season 4, the Vikings season 4 ending saw the end of one generation with the death of Ragnar and the rise of the next generation with his sons. Since their father's death, both the sons of Ragnar have only had one mission, which was revenge. Season 5, the Vikings season 5 ending was quite a peaceful one, with most of the Kattegat coming into the domain Bjorn. Alfred got named King of Wessex. This left his brother filled with jealousy. In Iceland, Folki and his men meet several failures in their mission. They encounter illness, betrayal, suicides, etc. Season 6, Bjorn struggles with the responsibilities of kingship and he finds he cannot rely on his mother Lagertha. Ivor falls into the hands of the Kievan Rus, and in their ruthless and unpredictable ruler Prince Oleg, he may finally have met his match. Number 2, 2, Black Mirror. This series having 5 seasons. Season 1, Princess Susanna, a British royal family member kidnapped. For her return, the kidnapper demands that the Prime Minister Mikhail Kallo have sex with a pig on live television. The demands gather attention on social media and then national news. Season 2, a failed comedian who voices a popular cartoon bear named Waldo finds himself mixing in politics when TV executives want Waldo to run for office. Error. Please try again. 3 interconnected tales of technology run amok during the Christmas season are told by 2 men at a remote outpost in a frozen wilderness. Season 3, a woman desperate to boost her social media score hits the jackpot when she is invited to a swanky wedding, but the trip doesn't go as planned. Season 4, in the middle of Hang the DJ, Black Mirror's Season 4 ode to love in a digital age. Amy Georgina Campbell as Singleton, who's struggling with an soulmate finder that has promised to match her with her perfect mate, but only if she follows some stringent instructions, essentially spoils the episode. Season 5, his old friend Carl introduces him to the latest Striking Vipers game as they used to plan them together. It is a fighting game now experienced in virtual reality. That night, Danny and Carl play as Lance and Roxette, respectively, feeling all physical sensations of characters' bodies. Number 1, The Stranger Things. This series having 4 seasons. Season 1, when a young boy disappears, his mother, a police chief, and his friends must confront terrifying supernatural forces in order to get him back. Season 2 starts around Halloween 1984, close to the 1-year anniversary of Will's disappearance. In that time, Will's classmates have given him the unflattering nickname Zombie Boy. He has episodes in which he freezes and sees a long-limbed shadowy monster looming over the town. Season 3, Hopper, Joyce and Moray head off to infiltrate the underground Russian base where they can access an operations room to close the gate. Thanks to the help of the group and Dustin's girlfriend Susie via radio, however, things take a turn when both Billy and his new pal, the Mind Flayer, enter the chat. Season 4, it's been 6 months since the Battle of Starcourt, which brought terror and destruction to Hawkins. Struggling with the aftermath, our group of friends are separated for the first time, and navigating the complexities of high school hasn't made things any easier.